Why? What did he do?
He turned him into a generator. He's still out there behind our shed. He'll never move again.
After that, Stuart and Falcon became really useful engines, and all three were happy together for many years. Then hard times came. The mines in the hills closed. And the railway was closed too. People came to buy the engines.
We'll take Stuart and Falcon.
No one wanted Duke. They thought him too old. Cheer up, Granpuff, called Stuart. We'll find you a nice railway, and then you can come and keep us in order. They tried to be brave and cheerful, but no one really thought their dreams would come true. Duke's driver and fireman oiled and greased him one last time. They sheeted him snugly and said goodbye. Then they had to go away and find work. Duke was alone.
Oh, well,
he sighed.
I'll go to sleep. It'll help to pass the time.
Winter torrents washed soils from the hills. Trees and bushes grew all around. You wouldn't have known a shed was there, let alone a little engine asleep inside.
That's not a happy ending,
cried Percy. Ah, murmured Thomas. There will be one, but that'll have to wait until next time. It was a beautiful night on the Island of Sodor. The day's work was done, and the engines puffed safely home.
Thomas,
whispered Percy,
will you tell us the end of the story?
You mean the one about Duke, the lost engine?
Exactly,
said Henry.
But please remind us of the story so far.
So Thomas began, and here is the rest of the story he told. Duke was old and lived with two young engines called Stuart and Falcon. They teased Duke and called him Granpuff, but they were happy together. Then their line was closed down, and the young engines went away. Duke was left alone in the shed. He went to sleep, and everything around him changed. But Duke was never forgotten. Years went by until one day not long ago, visitors came to see Sir Topham Hatt. "We want to find Duke," they said, "and make him happy again." Maps lay everywhere. "If we follow the old line shown here on the map," they said, "we'll travel north of the village and then into the mountains. And look, There's a sign for the old station. If Duke's anywhere, he's there. Everyone set off to the mountains far away. The days went by and the search grew harder, but the rescuers wouldn't give up. Let's go this way, they said.